you have two schools of thought, an acid diet and an alkaline diet. And this diet is what the so-called dietitian call the pyramid diet, whereby you are putting all the food groups in one plate. The only problem with this diet, according to the so-called pyramid diet, is it is an acid diet. And if this diet was so much a sound diet, we wouldn't have the hospitals so full of people, because this is the acid diet. So let's look at the pyramid diet that the so-called dietitians promote to you every day in Grenada. Yam, starch. Tanya, starch. Fig, starch. Rice, starch. Peas, starch and protein. String beans, vegetable, alkaline. Carrots, alkaline. Cucumbers, alkaline. Fish, acidic. Proteins. Now, this can never ever be a good diet to follow, the pyramid diet it is. Because these foods, the rice, the yam, the tanias, they don't digest in your stomach. If you, the dietitian, knows about enzyme and how enzyme function, you would never ever promote a diet like this here today. See? Because all these foods, the starches, once they get into your stomach, the hydrochloric acid kills the amylase, which is an enzyme that breaks down these foods here, the starches. See? So starches do not digest in your stomach. They digest in your mouth and in your small intestines, where your pancreas will shoot a little bit more of the enzyme to break down these foods here in your small intestines. Finish the digestion process down there. Fish, which is the protein, need protease, an enzyme. And when the fish get into your stomach, the same thing happened to the fish. The hydrochloric acid kills the protease that breaks down the fish. But the fish have a backup called pectin that resists the acid, so that the fish take 12 hours to digest in your stomach. Now, when the so-called dietitians promote a diet like this, they are causing you to have an acid system. See what I'm saying? Now, when they both get into your stomach together, remember that this food, the starches, can't or won't or don't digest in your stomach at all. So this food, which is the fish, slows it up. And this food become idle in your stomach and start fermenting. And fermentation causes gases. And gases in turn cause acids. And that's where you get in your acid reflux from. That's where you get in your flatulence from. That's where you get in your bad varicose veins from. That's where you get in diabetes from, because this food promotes diabetes because it's an acid diet. And the pancreas function in an alkaline terrain, 8.0, 8.3 pH, potential hydrogen. Now let's go to the alkaline diet. This is the alkaline diet. The body functions in an alkaline system. The venous blood, 7.45. The arterial blood, 7.45. The capillary blood, 7.45. The saliva, 6.9, 7.0 alkaline. The urine, 7.0 alkaline. The intestinal tract secretion, 7.8 alkaline. The pancreatic secretion, 8.0, 8.3 alkaline. The only place that is acidic is your stomach, because your stomach produces hydrochloric acid. So this is an alkaline diet. This is the diet that you have to eat in Grenada every day. So I'm saying once or twice per day. Now all these foods here, cucumbers, garlic, string beans, watercress, works in your liver, have a lot of minerals. Okra, which is good for the stomach if you have ulcers, soothe the stomach walls. And all the green foods mixed with what? Not the starch foods now, but with the protein foods. So when you eat the alkaline diet, your greens and your protein without no starches, this diet is a sound diet, because the green foods are more water soluble, 80% water, plus they have a lot of minerals. So when you eat your foods this way, the protein, which is your fish, takes the exact time in your stomach, and then it moves into your small intestines or your large intestine to be eliminated as waste. So this is what we call an alkaline diet. Plus, this food have a lot of enzymes. So it keeps your pancreatic secretion at a pH of 8.0, 8.3. See? But when you go eating this way, especially at night, when your liver and your pancreas is trying to go to sleep to regenerate, this food here will kill your body, kill your cells, kill the tissues, kill the blood, kill the heart, kill the pancreas, kill your small and large intestines, because this is what we call an acid diet. And once you are eating acidic foods together, you will have what we call slow transit time, meaning that this food slows up in your stomach, so it can't move. And once it can't move, this diet here causes a traffic jam in your system. So you eat 3 meals per day of this diet, and you go to the bathroom once per day because you cause a traffic jam and the foods can't move. You eat this diet here 3 times per day, you go to the bathroom 3 times per day. You see? And you never ever eat proteins. These food here, fish in the night time. Never eat fish at night because your liver is getting ready to go to regenerate. So your proteins should be eaten in the morning if you are living in a hot climate. And don't ever use a dessert when you're eating protein foods. Never ever use fruits with your protein foods. It's going to kill you long term. So this diet promotes cancer. This diet here promotes high blood pressure. This combination of food here promotes diabetes. This combination of food here promotes varicose veins and ilitis. This combination of food here promotes cancer and lupus and eye troubles, cataracts, glaucomas. This diet produces that. This diet here give you protection against diabetes and cancer and ilitis and mucous colitis. You know what I'm saying? And IBS and cataracts. You know what I'm saying? And bad circulation, because this diet don't cause a traffic jam in your stomach. It moves quick, so you have what we call good elimination. And that is the diet Grenadians have to learn to eat in order for them to avoid going in a casualty on a regular basis. That is the diet that we promote, this diet over here. Not the so-called pyramid diet that the dietitian promotes for you all. Because this diet here make you end up in the hospital regularly. But this diet keep you well and keep the bloodstream well and keep acid from your blood. But this diet creates acid in your blood and cause you to have acid reflux, ulcers, you understand, bad circulation. Because this diet is the wrong diet. And Grenadians supposed to know now that this diet will kill you long term. But this diet will make you live because it's live food. This diet is dead food. This diet is live foods. See? So you have to learn now to move from over here to over here. And that diet we call the BioLife program will keep you well and keep you alive and keep you from going into the doctor's office on a regular basis. Have a blessed day.